this episode of Grassroots Garage, we check out John's tough as GT Falcon Replica.
This is from 15 years old. This is what I wanted. I used to draw and paint this car. Like, you know, wild violet, orange stripe, sunroof, carbies out the bonnet.
So what did it look like when you first got it?
It looked like this.
But
Yeah.
stock.
I bought
no
it painted,
Yeah.
pulled it apart, resprayed it, put a sunroof in it, done the engine up, everything. Pretty much done everything again.
So it was purple already?
Yeah,
And you just
with
resprayed
an
it
orange
again?
stripe, but it didn't look like this.
No. So did you respray it at home? You got
No.
Custom
I paid
paint.
someone, yeah.
Yeah, nice.
I
And,
wish.
and rebuild the engine about the same time? So can we
Yeah,
pop the
yeah.
bonnet again? I know that's annoying.
Yeah. You go there, I've got this part.
So pretend I don't know what I'm looking at, which I
Yeah,
don't.
yeah.
Tell me everything.
So basically, he knows the go.
All right.
So it's originally started as a 351
Yep.
Cleveland.
Mm-hmm.
It's a 393 stroker now, so it's still a Cleveland but 393.
Mm-hmm.
It's got twin carburetors and it makes about 620 horsepower at the flywheel.
Mm-hmm.
It was built by Wild Automotive at the Oaks.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's got a top loader 9-inch.
Nice.
heavy duty clutch.
Yeah. Beautiful. So take me right back. Was this the dream car growing up?
From younger than them. This exactly what you
This
see.
is it.
This is it. This is from 15 years old. This is what I wanted.
All right. Nice.
15, I said I used to draw and paint this car. Like, you know, wild violet, orange stripe, sunroof, carbies out the bonnet.
That's the shot. That's mad. All right. That's perfect. We got it. Purple is light.
It's all genuine interior. All right, GT dash, but I've put automated gauges in it
Oh yeah, nice.
for reliability.
Yeah.
And we're running just to pop the glove box.
I'm coming around. I'll stay here and I'll film that in a sec.
Yeah.
Keep telling me.
We're running ice ignition box in the. It's got a 2-step, which is for race, and it's got like obviously the rev limiter and that, which, you know, ice ignitions. They're the best, you know. So yeah, so
Very nice.
it's all hidden in the glove box.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Yeah.
Just H4s.
Yeah. Perfect. Thanks, man. It's right there.
It's a bit of a hike.
If I I give you an unlimited budget, what else would you do to the car?
Supercharged.
Supercharge it.
Blown.
Like hanging right out of the bonnet.
Yeah,
I love that.
that's it. That's all I do.
Yeah.
That's all I do.
Now, all right, same thing, unlimited budget. You've got this garage.
Yeah.
What cars would you put in it?
Well, how am I going to top that?
That's it, Yeah, this is the one. Yeah.
The kids have got their own cars.
You know, we've got a couple cars ourselves.
So what would you put in the garage unlimited budget?
We'd get ours under the way, you know. Like I've got a Chrysler Valiant,
Nice,
1978 model, so he's got a Gemini TE.
Sick, man.
So
Rotary.
just
Wanna
we're
be a
going to
rotary.
rotor that.
TE Gemini. Are you rotoring it? Yeah. Nice.
Car history.
Tell us about your first car. What'd you have growing up?
I had I've had.
Honda Civic, one of these? This one?
Older than that, mate.
I had started off with a Cortina, then I bought my first car ever was an XW GS, $1,000. It was a red one, had sunroof. I never finished the car. I sold it for what I bought it for. Then I bought a Cortina. Then I had a couple Valiants. Then I got a white GT, and I rid that off. And then I've had like hundreds of cars in between. And then I fell upon this about 3 years ago and haven't looked back.
Nice.
So,
Tell us about going down to Summer Nats this year. How was that?
Summer Nats was the best.
The best?
Yeah. Yes, they didn't go wrong with Skid Row, that's for sure.
Oh, isn't it good?
Yeah,
It's
awesome.
the
Best thing that they've done,
It's the
man.
best, man.
It was
It takes that, like, you got to put up or shut up, don't you? It's
that's
interesting to see the cars. I saw a few guys stall it, couldn't get the power
Easy,
down.
like,
You know, like you,
Yeah, we've seen a couple big power cars that just couldn't like smoke them, eh?
people were talking rubbish about it beforehand, going, it's too narrow, it's this and that. No, it's great.
It was
You know,
good. I did aim at the concrete walls a couple of times, but you
Yeah,
steer
you had
out
the
of it.
colour of that.
Yeah,
If you be
nice.
stupid, you'll hit it.
Yeah,
If you be sensible, you'll have fun.
Yeah.
You just have fun, you know.
sick. My only suggestion would be to put it through the car park so that we can stand both sides.
Yeah,
You know what I mean? That'd be good,
yeah.
Put it further into the car park. And
Yeah.
then just have it. Oh,
Yeah,
imagine.
it would. It would be.
Yeah, I would love that. Yeah.
And the stickers on the car at the back. If you want to take a photo,
Yeah, let's go around.
that's
FXD, yep.
fixed.
Fixed.
FIXD,
got
yeah.
it. Yeah.
That they're mobile phone repair specialists in Hurstville,
Yeah.
but they sponsor me with tyres.
Oh, nice.
So I blow them, they replace them. So
Geez, that's all right.
go to fixed, you know.
Fixed. We'll tag them in there. And that's it for this beautiful GT Falcon. George, John and Christo, thanks for your time, boys. Thank you. Thank you. Legends.
Yeah.
What do you think of the VL Turbo?
Oh, mate, it's pretty beautiful, pretty stock looking. I reckon it sounds something like.